In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete everything on Google Calendar. Before we start, a quick note on how Google Calendar works. Your schedule is organized into separate calendars such as personal, work, or special lists like birthdays. To remove everything from one of these calendars at once, you don't delete individual events, you remove the entire calendar. That's what we'll do here. Begin by opening Google Calendar in your web browser and signing in to the correct account. On the left side of the screen, you'll see the sidebar with My Calendars and Other Calendars. This is where all your calendars are listed. Find the calendar you want to wipe completely. For example, a birthdays calendar or any secondary calendar you no longer need. Hover your mouse over that calendar's name to reveal a three-dot menu. Click the three dots, then choose Settings and Sharing. This opens the settings page specifically for that calendar, so you're making changes to the right place. On the calendar settings page, scroll down until you see the section labeled Remove Calendar. This is the area that controls whether the calendar stays connected to your account. Click Delete. A confirmation prompt will appear to make sure you really want to proceed because this action removes all events on that calendar for good. Click Delete again to confirm. Once confirmed, everything on that calendar is gone from your view across the web and the mobile app. If this was a shared or secondary calendar you owned, others who had access will also lose it. If it was a calendar you were subscribed to, you might see the option to unsubscribe instead of delete. Choosing that removes it from your account, so its events no longer appear. A couple of helpful tips as you wrap up. This process affects only the specific calendar you selected. If you have several calendars to clear, repeat the same steps for each one. You can't delete your primary default calendar, but you can remove secondary calendars you've created or subscribed to. If you only want to hide a calendar temporarily, uncheck its box in the sidebar instead of deleting it. And if you think you might need the information later, consider exporting the calendar first from the Import and Export section in Settings so you have a backup file. That's it. By removing the calendar, you've deleted everything